What if I told you your bank account changes how strangers look at you before you even say a word? Not your face, not your clothes, your net worth. There's an invisible line, and the moment you cross it, people start treating you differently. Waiters, bankers, strangers on a plane, even your own friends. And the strange part isn't becoming rich. The strange part is how fast people can sense it, even when you never told them a single number. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how the world treats you at every stage of wealth, from $0 to $10 million. And once you see this pattern, you can never unsee it. Let's start at zero. At $0, you're invisible because you're not on their radar. A waiter rushes past your table. A landlord asks for extra proof before renting to you. A car salesman barely makes eye contact. Psychologists call this social filtering. People unconsciously sort others into categories in under 3 seconds. And at zero, you often get sorted into not worth the effort. Now, imagine $10,000 in savings. Nothing changes outside, but something changes inside you. You walk a little taller. You speak a little slower. And that confidence, people feel it before they understand it. This is called the confidence signal. Humans read body language faster than words. So even with a small amount saved, your posture starts speaking for you. Now, $50,000. This is where something interesting happens. You're not rich, but you're stable. And stability is attractive. Picture a first date. 2 men, same jokes, same restaurant. One is anxious about the bill. The other is calm. Guess who seems more attractive? It's never really about the money. It's about the calmness money creates. Now, $100,000. This is where strangers start noticing details. Your watch, your shoes, the way you order coffee without checking the price. Bank employees suddenly smile more. Salespeople stop assuming and start asking. This is the halo effect. One positive signal, like calm confidence, makes people assume everything else about you is also good. Now, $250,000. This is where real numbers start working for you. If invested at 8% a year, this becomes roughly $540,000 in 10 years, just from patience. But here's what changes socially. People start asking your opinion at work, at family dinners. Suddenly you're the smart one. Not because you're smarter, because wealth creates perceived authority. Now, $500,000. This is the quiet money stage. You don't look rich, but you feel unstoppable. At this level, that same 8% growth adds about $40,000 a year without lifting a finger. Imagine sitting in a business meeting. You're not the loudest voice, but everyone waits for your reaction before deciding anything. Now, $1 million. This is where the world changes completely. Private bankers call you instead of you calling them. Luxury hotels remember your name. At a car dealership, they stop showing you prices. They ask what you're looking for. Psychologically, this is called scarcity value. Millionaires are rare, and humans are wired to respect what's rare. Here's a mini story. Imagine 2 men walking to the same dealership. One casually mentions he owns rental properties. The salesman's tone instantly shifts. Same person, same clothes. Different words, completely different treatment. Now $5 million. At this stage, people don't just respect you, they study you. Your opinions become quotes. Your habits become successful people's routines. Even your flaws get reframed as quirks. This is social proof in action. Once someone succeeds, people assume everything they do must be the reason why. Now, $10 million and beyond, you stop chasing opportunities, opportunities start chasing you. Investors reach out first. Doors open before you knock. People remember conversations you don't even remember having. At this level, if invested wisely, $10 million can generate around $800,000 a year just in growth without touching the original amount. But here's the twist nobody talks about. The higher you climb, the lonelier the climb becomes. People stop asking how you're doing. They start asking what you can do for them. This is the hidden cost of extreme wealth. Attention increases, but genuine connection
often decreases. Now here's the real lesson. Every single one of these stages is driven by psychology, not just money. Confidence, calmness, patience, consistency. These create the same impression even before your bank account fully catches up. Think about the friend who seems calm under pressure, the coworker who never panics about bills, the stranger at the coffee shop who tips generously without checking the total. You've probably already met people like this. Now you understand why they get treated differently. So here's a question for you. At which stage are you right now? And more importantly, how do you want people to treat you 5 years from now? Because here's the truth. You don't need $10 million to start being treated with respect. You just need to build one habit at a time. Save a little, invest a little, stay calm, stay consistent. The money will follow the mindset, not the other way around. If this video made you see money differently, hit like so more people can see this. Drop a comment telling me which milestone surprised you the most. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed, because we're just getting started.